I just found a tool that allows us to create highly customizable typefaces for our clients easily. I'm not affiliated with this or sponsored by it in any way, but I just thought it was too good to not share. So, normally, if we want a custom typeface, we would avoid free options like Google fonts and go for something more premium like Adobe fonts. I'm using this one on my site right now, but it can really slow down page speed and it requires JavaScript just to use that font. So it's always better if we can upload our fonts directly to our website. But then we'd have to turn to paid options that require licensing and estimating our page views per month. And honestly, it's often more headache than it's worth. So here we can create something even more custom for our clients and just pay for it once. So I can write a prompt as a starting point or select one of these and then hit edit typeface. And from here, I can adjust things that, most fonts can probably adjust, things like the weight, things like the width. We can adjust from here. But then we get to some more unique options like shape. So do I want this to be more boxy or circular? The joint thickness. So do I want where they connect to be more thick or thin? I'm going to make this a little more bold, size it up some so we can see. And we have things like the asymmetry. So do we want these to be perfectly circular or more asymmetric? And then we have things like this aperture. So here it's adjusting where the letters are cutting. So being able to have this amount of control for the client to be able to dial it in to match maybe like something that's in their logo or in their brand already, I think that is just awesome. Here we have the being able to control how these connect and then at what angle they connect, like so. So we can adjust that from there. We have the shoulders. So imagine being able to do something really kind of quirky and unique like that for the client. If it fits within their brand, I think that's so cool and being able to have it really customized. The Here we have, looks like this is affecting the W and maybe the V. So we're able to make a more custom split like that if we want. The letter type here between the different types of A's, different types of G, different types of R's. So if we want something where the R is a bit more rounded like that, we can add some nice character to the typeface. And you can also, you can upload SVGs for individual letters if you'd like to replace a single letter or character with something more custom for your brand, which I think is a really nice feature as well. Also, if I'm holding a command and I use my arrow keys, I can adjust the spacing between letters to really dial that in. We have punctuation type, contrast. What is this? Okay. And then we have, what is smile? Looks like we can just add some ink traps there if we want it. So I think this is like a great level of control. All right. So what I'll do, keep refining. Let's download it. Let's say that this is going to be our medium weight of the font. I'm going to call it TCI Sans. It's for my client, and then I could put my name as the designer. Imagine though being able to just tell your client, hey, I made you a custom typeface, and being able to give that to them. There's no restrictions around the number of users who can use it, whether they use it on desktop or mobile, like on websites or on devices. So let's download. So if I want the full typeface right now, I would have to either do a lifetime membership or just pay for a month. That gives me unlimited font file downloads and no font usage limitations. So I think that is just huge to be able to have those no limitations. For now, I'm just going to do the test file and I'll do this OTF and let it download. There's a ton of potential here, and that's just really exciting. I'd love to see more tools like this come up. That's why I'm sharing this, is because I just want to see more things like this being created that give us more control and more options. So yeah, I hope this tool is helpful for you. I think I'm going to try it out as well and see if I can get a custom typeface for my client.